In this video, we will going to learn how to create sales order in Zoho Books. Let's start. Just click on the cell. You get here many options. We will going to create sales order. Just click on this sales order on this plus sign. First, you have to mention the customer name. Sales order means you create before your tax invoice, sales tax invoice. When customer giving you order, you create the sales order. After confirm the sales order from your customer, then you create tax invoice. Okay, this is a process. So when my customer giving me some order, okay, he send me mail ki I want this product that this much. So I create the sales order and send him to confirm this order. Okay, after confirm my sales order, then I create the invoice. So let's start. First, customer name. First, you have to add here customer name. You can add here. Just click on the plus sign. Customer types. If customer is a businessman, you select the business. If customer is an individual, you can select the individual. Primary contact per name, last name, company name, customer display name. This name is display on your invoice copy. So you have to means we are going to create a sales order. So on sales order is display this name. So in the red highlighted is a compulsory. You have to fill this information. So you can ask your customer to which name you want to display on your invoice copy sales order. So you can type here as your requirement or as their requirement. Customer email, customer phone number, address, PAN, currency. You can fill this information as per your requirement. If you require customer address, you can fill here. You can mention here two address, billing address and shipping address. Some customer want the shipping on different address and billing address is a different. So you have to mention here to both address. Both address I think is a compulsory for every seller. So you have to mention here. Here not red highlighted, but address is a compulsory. So you can mention here as per requirement. And then in the remarks you can mention any remarks, any other details as your requirement. Just save it and you can create the customer. Then you can see here in your drop down list and just one click you can select. Okay, next sales order. Sales order, if as per your sales order, you can create your sales order. If you auto generated sales order create, you can select on this. If you want to manually add this, you can select this and save it. I want to auto generate, just click on this. This is a one sales order. You can SO means sales order 001. When you create the next sales order, the automatically order is 002. Okay, that says our reference. You can mention here any reference person name as you want. You can mention here sales order date. In this in sales order, if you create, I'm creating this sales order today, you can mention this date is a sales order date. Expected shipment date, you can mention as per your business. When you shipment, payment terms, you can mention here payment terms. When the customer see your sales order, so he clear about the payments when we have to pay, so he clear about it. So I want to the event of the months, delivery method, you can mention the delivery method. Add the salesperson as item, which item you going to sell to the customer. Add this item. You can add here new item also. Goods or service, item name is a compulsory, selling price is a compulsory, Amount also compulsory. Account, cost, price. You have to fill all this information. Next, you can add here new row. If you selling the two items, you can add the second one. Quantity, which quantity you going to sell, how many quantity you going to sell, then you can mention it. Rate, your product rate, then acceptable shipping charges as per your transaction you can mention. Then customer notes, you can mention here note something your customer. Terms and condition, you can mention your terms and condition as per your business. Okay, next you can save as a draft and save here, save and print. Okay, option available, you can save and print your sales order. After creating sales order, you send your customer, and after confirmation you can create your tax invoice. That's it. Hope you understand. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and like it.